Hey guys, Rob at Tactical Garage here. We're entering phase 3 of the Whipple Camaro build here. Give you an update on what we have planned for installation over the winter here and what we plan on running at the track in the spring. So the first item that we have there is we have the Flex Fuel Kit from Skidmark Garage here. So yes, I am going to be going to E85 or some version of E85, most likely more like E50, E60, something in that range. I had originally steered away from the idea of running E85 because I have no pumps locally that have E85 or any version of it, and I ended up finding a local fuel distributor here that sells E85 in a 55-gallon drum for about the same price as it cost me for premium 92 octane here. And it is true E85. They mix it themselves. They take the ethanol and mix it with fuel to get to a true E85, and so I will have to mix it down from there myself to get it to the E50 to E60 range that I'm looking for. From an expectation standpoint, you know, the tuning school did some videos a while back on a C7 Corvette that had an LT1 engine in it, that had an A&A supercharger, and they tested some different fuels, and they picked up about 40 horsepower, 40 to 50 horsepower from just going from 93 octane for them to a E40 is what they were running in theirs. And that was no change in the pulley, just all timing-based fueling and additional fueling and stuff that they were getting there. So we're going to give it a try. I do have some concerns about the kit that Skidmark sent me. We'll be doing an install video on that. Part of my concern is as part of the Whipple Supercharger install, I had to reroute the hard fuel line behind the supercharger, and it's quite a pain to get back there, and that's where they want you to mount it to. And then also the wiring they send here is simply not long enough for what I need based on where it's at right now, based on where the hard line is right now. So I might have to do some modifications there. I might even give them a call and see if they have a longer line that they can send me for the electrical pieces of it, or if there was a different kit that I was supposed to order if I wanted to run it with a Whipple. Anyways, the other thing that we're going to be installing here is the Alky Control Meth injection kit. You have the pump here, the primary pump here, and then the controllers, the parts of the controllers there, and then over to your left there, we have a big bag with all the electrical and all the fuel lines and everything there. Similarly, I mean, I'm running 92 octane right now. If I wanted to go to 100% meth injection and use it for an alternative fueling source and just crank it up, I think I could probably get another 50 horsepower off that on a standalone basis. The thing is, I'm trying to stay away from is running the Alky, the meth, as a alternative fuel source, and so I'm trying to stay pretty conservative on what I want to do here. So the plan really is to run the Flex Fuel E80, E85, really E50 to E60, and from there add the meth injection on top of it, mainly as a IAT control. You know, at the tracks, the IATs have been a little out of control on hot days, and some form of water meth injection is going to help me out, keeping my IATs down, let me run full timing, full boost to the car. I am planning on, as I install the Flex Fuel, I'm planning on dropping the pulley size one on the Whipple. Right now I'm at 9 pounds of boost. I think I'm going to increase it to 10 pounds of boost. But really, I think I'm going to max it out there until I get into the engine and go forged and get forged pistons in the engine and add cam to it. I'm really looking at staying at that 10 pounds of boost range. So with the extra pound of boost in the timing there, like I said, I think we should see 40 to 50 additional horsepower there. And I might do some testing also with the Alky Control Kit running 92 octane. That's what we have here, 92 octane. I know a lot of people can run 93, and some people like California are stuck with only 91. We have 92 here. So I will do some testing, probably standalone just with 92 octane and with the Alky Control Kit. I'll probably do a little bit of testing with just the windshield wiper fluid, the blue stuff, and running it out of my windshield wiper tank, which is supposed to be a roughly 30% methanol in that. I'll also do some testing with some boost juice in it as well, which is roughly 50% methanol. And at some point I might do 100% meth. I'm not really planning on it right now. This kit with Alky, the Alky Control Kit is designed to run 100% meth. So I do have that option, but I think I'm going to stay away from that for now. Anyways, we have some install videos coming up. So if you want to see the install videos, be sure you subscribe down below and support the channel, and we'll get some install videos, both for the Flex Fuel Kit from Skidmark, and I'll let you know how that really works with the Whipple Supercharger if you've rerouted your main fuel line behind the supercharger, whether the kit works with that or not, or whether I had to do some modifications. And then the more involved installation will obviously be the Alky Control Kit for the meth injection, which again I'm planning on running. I'm not running a separate reserve tank for that. I'm just going to run it from my windshield wiper fluid tank is what I'm planning on doing. Anyways, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure you subscribe. Be sure you hit the thumbs up and like, and we'll have more coming here for you very soon. Thanks.